Introducing the SP Tools 12-volt quarter-inch Hex Impact Driver Kit. This compact powerhouse delivers 66 foot-pounds of working torque and up to 2,400 revolutions per minute with 3,200 beats per minute for lightning-fast driving in the tightest spaces. The SP83141US includes the impact driver, a 2.5 ampere-hour battery, and a charger. It features next-generation SX drive technology, a variable speed trigger with brake, a built-in LED light, and an ergonomic grip built to withstand 6.5-foot drops. Lightweight at just 1.9 pounds and perfect for pros tackling automotive machinery and confined work. Upgrade your toolbox with pro-grade performance that fits anywhere. Be honest, you want this. Success is built with SP Tools.